Hi guys and girls. Today I am going to discuss how to be a smart developer. Let's say you are not familiar with website development or any software development. No issues. You can upgrade your salary. You can become a better developer if you study software, because if you see in the global market there are a lot of software job opportunities available, and then you can be a part-timer or later on you can be a full-timer, and hence if you really have the passion to become a software developer, whatever be your field, of course you can be one of them. So that's what I'm going to present here, some few tips for becoming a smart developer. You may be already a developer, still you can watch this to gather up some few tips that I give you guys, okay? The agenda is what you need to know, what you must not do, how to catch up faster, how to go up the ladder. These are the agenda we will be discussing here. So what you need to know. First of all, you need to have a good PC, at least a reasonable PC if you are just a beginner, or a bit of advanced PC if you are going to be an advanced developer. So keep on upgrading your PC as and when needed. It could be a laptop as well or a desktop. Know what's happening around you. You can Google up and you can come to many YouTube channels and you can study, download ebooks or buy ebooks, and then keep yourself updated. Switch to new technologies. The world is growing. Like for example, earlier it was a single entity website. Now there are micro websites, microsites. So front-end technology is developing, back-end technology is developing. There are a lot of cloud servers are hosted, so you have to keep abreast with technology. So that should be a part of your agenda, okay? And use ebooks and long videos as backups. From my experience, I have seen that if I go through any specific ebook or I take up long videos, I will end up with losing time, because time is limited and precious. We may be doing our own regular daytime job and we are going to become a part-time learner, or we are going to upgrade our technology. So our time for study is limited. So that's why you have to take a focused course either with me or any of the masters here. You can take focused courses. Let's say for example you focus on understanding what is web technology, how to host a website, how to buy a domain, for example, or you want to study about Laravel, or you want to understand about PHP, or you want to understand about Django or Python. Let's say, for example, you want to know about front-end React, Angular, or Vue. You have to compartmentalize all these. You cannot put everything together and study. So you have to do focused course so that you pick up the course and the technology very fast. People like me can act as guide. Of course, we cannot like sit with you and make you go up the ladder. You have to put initiative. At least we show you the path, what are to be done. So take short courses and then you can understand what to learn and what not to learn, because the knowledge is so vast and so big. It's like a big ocean, and if you simply take a plunge, there's a good chance that you may lose interest first thing, or you may end up with losing time and not pick up what you wanted. Number three is very important. Keep practicing what you learned. Refine yourself, sharpen your skills, and finally keep learning. Be open to learning, understand more things, go to many channels, understand things, read ebooks or read materials, technical materials in the websites. So like that you have to keep on learning. Even if you are an advanced developer, still you have to keep on learning, because as I told you, the world is always developing. So finally, let's keep in touch. You can see my WhatsApp number, whatever be the portion or country you are, whatever be the time zone, we can match up to have a good session. So you can contact me either by email or WhatsApp. WhatsApp will be faster, and hence this is Kumar signing off from Penang Teams. For now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments what you would like to learn so that I can have some agenda what need to prepare in the future. Wishing you all the best. Please catch up with me in my YouTube channels. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like it and give comments. Thank you and bye bye.